Hey there, coding wizards! Welcome back to another exciting lesson in your coding adventure. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools in your coding toolbox, loops.
So, what exactly is a loop? Think of it like this. Imagine you want to tell your computer to do something over and over again, like making a character jump or a car drive forward. Instead of writing the same code over and over, you can use a loop to save time and keep your code nice and tidy. Let's break it down. There are a couple of different types of loops you'll use in coding. The most common ones are the for loop and the while loop. Both of these loops repeat actions, but they're used in slightly different situations.
A for loop is perfect when you know exactly how many times you want something to repeat. For example, if you want a character to take 10 steps, you'd use A for loop to count each step. A while loop, on the other hand, keeps repeating as long as a certain condition is true, like moving forward until you reach the finish line.
Ready to show off your loop skills? Take the quiz, and then we'll jump into a hands-on project where you'll use loops to create your very own animation.
You've got this. Answer the questions to see how much you've learned about loops.
Let's see what you can do. Good luck!
Alright everyone, let's dive into creating a looping animation. First, we need to choose a character. Pick one that you think will be fun to animate. Got it? Great! Now let's set up A for loop to make our character move. Just drag and drop the for loop block into your workspace, and to make the animation smooth and continuous, we're going to add a repeat command. This will keep our character moving in a loop. Awesome job!
Step 1. Choose your character, just like before. Let's pick a fun character that you want to bring to life with loops. Step 2. Drag a for loop into your workspace and tell your character to move forward 10 steps. Watch as your character takes those steps in a smooth, repeated motion.
Step 3. Let's make it loop forever! Add a repeat block to create a continuous loop. Now, your character will keep moving forward, and you've just mastered your first looping animation.
That's it, you've created a looping animation. Loops are an incredible way to make your code more powerful and efficient, but this is just the beginning. There's so much more you can do with loops. Ready for more? Play around with different types of loops and see what you can create. Don't forget to save your project and share it with us. We'd love to see your awesome loop creations. Thanks for looping in with us today. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Happy coding!
Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll dive into even more exciting coding concepts. See you there!